Hi, friends. Hey, let's play a game. Can you help me put the farm animals in the barn? Okay. Look, what is it? It's a bear. Can a bear live on a farm? No way. Bye-bye, scary bear. Oh, what is it? It's a donkey. A donkey. Can a donkey live on a farm? Yup, put him in the barn. Look, what is it this time? It's a giraffe. Can a giraffe live in the farm? I don't think so. Bye-bye, giraffe. Oh, what is it? It's a cute little piggy. Can a piggy live on a farm? Yes. Let's put the piggy in the barn. Gonna keep the piggy. Look. What is it? It's a tiger. Can a tiger live on a farm? That's not where the tigers live. Bye-bye, tiger. What is it? It's a goat. Can a goat live on the farm? Yes. Come on, goat. Let's put him in the barn. Look, what is it? It's a lion. Can a lion live on a farm? No way. He can't stay. Bye-bye, lion. You gotta go. Look, what is it? Oh, it's an elephant. Can an elephant live on a farm? No. You gotta go. Oh, what is it? It's a puppy. Can a puppy live on the farm? Yes. Let's put a puppy in the barn. I like puppies. Oh, look. What is it? It's a scary leopard. Ooh. Can a leopard live on a farm? No. It's not a good place for a leopard. Bye-bye, leopard. Look, what is it? It's a happy hippo. Can a happy hippo live on a farm? I don't think so. Bye-bye, hippo. You gotta go. Look, what is it? What is it? It's a funny monkey. Can a monkey live on a farm? No. Bye-bye, monkey. Oh, what is it? It's a kitten. Oh, I just love a kitten. Can a kitten live in a farm? Oh, yes, you can have a kitten. Let's put the little kitty in the barn. Look. Woohoo! What is it? It's a rhinoceros. Can a rhinoceros live on the farm? No. Bye-bye, rhinoceros. Oh, what is it? It's a sheep. Can a sheep live on a farm? Oh, yeah. You can put a sheep on a farm. Okay, let's put him in the barn. Oh, look. What is it? It's a deer. Can a deer live on a farm? No, but they can live in the forest right next door. Bye-bye, deer. You gotta go. Oh, what is it? It's a turkey. Can a turkey live on a farm? Oh, yeah. Gobble, gobble. Let's put the gobbler turkey in the barn. Look, what is it? It's a zebra. Can a zebra live on a farm? No way. That's silly. Oh, what is it? It's a little chicken. It's a little chicken. Can a chicken live on a farm? Yeah. Let's put him in the barn. Oh, what is it? It's a cute cow. Can a cow live on a farm? Yeah. Of course you're going to have a cow. Let's put the cow in the barn because he gives us milk. Let's play another game. Can you guess the animal's sounds with me? Ooh, who's making that funny sound? It's a donkey. Bye-bye, donkey. Who's making that sound? It's a little piggy. A little piggy. I like little piggies. Bye-bye, little piggy. Who's making that noise? That's a goat. Bye-bye, goat. Who's making that little sound? Oh, that's a puppy. I like puppies. Bye-bye, little puppy. Who's making that little sound? It's a little kitty cat. It's a little kitty. Oh, I love kitties. Who's making that sound? Oh, it's a sheep. Bye-bye, little sheep. Oh, who's making that gobbly sound? It's a turkey. Bye-bye, turkey. Who's making that funny sound? It's the chicken. Tick, tick, tick. Bye-bye, chicken. Who's making that loud sound? Here's a cow. It's a big old cow. He's making that sound. Woo, woo, I'm really tired. Now that the barn is empty, I'm gonna go have a long, nice nap. I'm gonna eat some bird seed. Bye-bye, friends. Bye-bye.